Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. I figured to make an updated video about Koho since it's been a while since I made one, and I've learned a lot about the program since I last made my video, and I figured I'd make an updated one to kind of really amplify like how powerful Koho really is and how you could potentially save $203 a year by making a switch. So Koho is a bank, but it's not a bank. It's a Canadian fintech company based in Toronto. While it's not a bank, the company provides banking services via Koho Financial Incorporated, which is licensed by MasterCard International. So just going to go through it, and then you can decide if this is something for you. If it is something for you, it would be super cool if you used my link at the bottom in the comments. Or by using my referral link, you'll give me a little bonus as well as you a little bonus, and we'll go over that in a minute. So you can build your credit with Koho, which is cool, and with certain plans, you get access to your credit score. The pay later is you can borrow money if you need. You can get up to 5% back when you're using your physical card, and then they have some partners that you can get up to 50% back when you're shopping online. You can get 4% interest on your entire balance. Find a bank account that does that. So the Essentials plan is $4 a month. Extra is $12, and the Everything plan is $14.75, which is still cheaper than my TD bank account. My TD bank account, I'm being charged $16.80, I think, a month, which is pretty crazy, and I don't get all of the perks that come with Koho. Let's just go to their plans so that we can see what they actually are. So the Essentials, you get your 1% cash back on transportation, food, and drink. And then the Extra plan is 1.5%, and then the Everything plan is 2%. And then for interest rate, you get 2.5 on the $4 a month, 3% for $12 a month, or 4% for the $14.75 a month. And like I was saying, like this completely blows your basic debit card out of the water. I have not found a debit card through a traditional bank that gives you A, cash backs, and B, such a high interest rate, which is cool. Like, you know, if we're doing this to be financially smart, I think that this is the cat's meow. You can do e-transfers with all the accounts, and they have a credit building thing that you can tap into that if you're needing that. All subscription plans come with a virtual card, your cash back, and you get your interest rate. Here's a little bit breakdown on how your different instant cashbacks work, your interest, the features. So roundups, that's if you say spend $19.95 at a store, they can round it up to to $20, and it puts the remainder into your savings account for you. Extra cashback with partners. I'll show you this in a little bit, but you can save with like Booking.com, Travelocity, Walmart.com. There's a bunch of them, and the most I've seen for one cashback partner is like 50%, which is wild. With the Extra plan, you get ATM withdrawal, and then you get one free credit score check every month with all the plans. With every plan, you can shop securely online, build your credit history, and save on the app with features like roundups, that's what I was saying earlier, savings goals, and vaults. So with the savings, you are able to get one of Canada's best high interest rates, up to 4% with Koho. You get the CIDC protection up to $100,000, no minimum balances or promotional rates, and it's calculated daily and paid out monthly. So the amount of percentage of interest that you are able to tap into depends on which plan you're using, but 4% is the max. You get no NSF fees, your money's protected by CIDC, and if you want to access your savings, you absolutely can. So in their savings, you have the vault where you can just store money and earn your interest. With goals, you can set a goal. Say you want to travel in 3 years and you want to save up $5,000. You can set an app that you want to have a certain amount of money by a certain date, and it will figure out how much money you will need to achieve that goal, and it will automatically withdraw from your primary balance into your goal balance to help you save up for that, and then you will earn your interest rate on that goal money. If you don't have enough money in your primary account to pay for your goal, you are not charged anything, and it will just recalculate for your next withdrawal how much you would need to still achieve your goal. And then you have roundups where you can round up your purchases to the nearest dollar, and it goes into your savings account or into a separate savings pile. The Cashback Partners. So like I was saying, booking.com, you get an extra 2.6% cash back. Clinique, 3.5%. Expedia, 3.9%. PetSmart, 1.3%. Under Armour, 5.2%. Ticketmaster, 3.25%. And this is just a small sample of what partners they have. I don't even know how many partners they have. I was digging through their app, and it's oodles and oodles and oodles of partners that they have. They can get anywhere from 1%, and like I said, up to 50% is the most I see. And I can't recall what vendor that was with, but definitely is worth it. Booking.com, 2.6%. If you book a hotel room for $100, you're getting $2.06 back. That's cool. You could use that for a cup of coffee. So with Koho, you can also do a cash advance. So you can get a cash advance up to $250. You get 0 interest, guaranteed approval. And this is if you have an unexpected bill, or you just maybe need some groceries, or something like that. $250 interest rate. Need a line of credit? You can borrow up to $15,000, and you pay interest on what you used. This is an application process. The cash advance, there's really no application needed, and the line of credit, you do need to apply for it. And then you also have the option of the pay later. This one is a wait list, but this one allows you to split your purchases into payment plans of 3, 6, or 9-month payment plans, no interest, and no credit check. You get up to $1,000. So, a lot of people who like to use credit cards, this is maybe a better choice because no interest in payment plans. So, things like that. Cool. Koho also gives you a free credit report, so you can track your credit score, and it does not hurt your credit score, which is really cool. I know a lot of people are always curious to know what their credit report is or what their credit score is, and Koho makes it very simple for you to learn that and watch it. You can also do your credit score. You can check it for free. It doesn't hurt your credit score. And then you can also choose to sign up for their credit building. So with credit building, you make a deal with Koho to pay into one of your savings accounts, and it appears as a regular payment for you. So it helps build your credit like that. And that is an additional fee. I'm not sure what it is, but if you travel a lot, this is really cool. So you can get an eSIM and travel insurance through Koho. So like travel insurance isn't necessarily cheap, and this will cover you. You get no foreign exchange fees, access to your cash anywhere. You can lock your card if it's stolen. You can get 2% on all of your stuff, even when abroad. And then, when you use their partners, like Booking.com, you get extra cash back. So with the eSIM, you get up to 3 gigs of data. You can connect in 200 plus countries, and you top up your data anytime you need. Your travel insurance covers baggage, interruptions for your air travel, and any emergency medical coverage you need. So that's definitely valuable if you're someone who travels frequently, and this may be something that you need to look into. If you're renting your house, you should definitely pay your rent through Koho. This will help increase your credit, build your credit, and it also gives you renter's insurance, believe it or not. So you can get cash back on your rent, pretty wild, plus build your credit, plus get tenant's insurance. So if the tenant's insurance is $22 a month, and it covers your electronics, heirlooms and stuff, liability, and your personal property, definitely having tenant's insurance is useful. You never know what will happen. Having insurance, as much of a detriment as it could be, it's also a benefit for when you need it, it's there. So that's always nice. Another cool thing that Koho offers is they have a lot of FAQs to understand how your spending and saving affects your credit. They have a ton of blogs on finance, and not just how their programs work, but also how you can save money in other ways, like what airlines offer buy now, pay later options. Cool. So with Koho, you can compare them to other government benefits and banks. Let's see different banks. So let's go Koho, the Essentials, with a TD unlimited checking account. So with Koho Essentials, you can get it for free when you make monthly deposits or contributions of $1,000. TD is $16.95 a month, which works out to be $203.40 a year. So this is where you can save yourself $203 a year just by making a simple switch. With TD, I guess if you hold $4,000 in your account, you will get it for free, but you have to hold it there. You don't have the ability just to use your $4,000. You have unlimited transactions with both, unlimited e-transfers. ATM fees are free with Koho. Doesn't matter which ATM you're using, because Koho doesn't actually have an ATM. Whereas TD Bank, you must use TD, otherwise you'll be charged $2 from TD, as well as whatever fees that ATM chooses to charge, because they all have their own different fees. With Koho, you get 1% back on 3 different categories. TD, you don't get that. You get 2.5% interest on your entire balance, and with TD, looks like a maximum of 1.85% with a high interest savings account. But on average, it's 0.05%. So you have to have $1,000 in your TD account sitting there, and you're going to earn 0.05% interest on that. Whereas with Koho, you'd earn 2.5%. Yeah. And then a fee rebate for credit cards of up to $135 with TD. So that's neat. You can sit here and plug away and choose your financial institution and whatever plans that they offer. Let's see how they compare to different other benefits. Oh, it's a quiz. Never mind. You can play with that. Let's learn about the company. So they want to revolutionize financial freedom. And really they will, or they could, with the offers that they have. So this is only for Canadians. Their mission is, for us, our values are more than just words, they are a way of living. We only create financial products that are open, intuitive, and designed to help you live a better life. Everything we do is for our customers. We partner with MasterCard to bring you a secure product that can be used worldwide. We're backed by established investors like Drive Capital, TTV Capital, Pop, Round 13, and BDC. We have different career opportunities. So is Koho a safe bank to use or safe financial institution to use? Yeah, I think so. According to the Wikipedia, as of 2024, Koho accounts are CDIC insured up to $100,000 per account, which is pretty awesome. As of 2024, Koho is paired with Canada Post to make depositing cash into your Koho account possible. So you just go down to the post office, and there's a way to do it through the app. So when you're there, you just kind of show them your app and account number, and there's a lot of instructions there how to do it. In 2015, they received the NASDAQ FinTech Innovation Award, which is pretty cool. So that's Koho. You got a couple different plans to choose from. That'll give you different amounts of cashbacks, different amounts of interest rate back into your account. All of them you can save money. All of them help you build your credit. If you're a renter, definitely tap into that, as it will help you with your renter's insurance and even help you build your credit and get you cash back on your rent, which is cool. If you travel a lot, definitely use it, because you can get that ESIM and travel insurance at a massive discount. And if you do a lot of online shopping, then this is also a great choice, because you can use Koho to shop at one of their many, many, many partners to receive your cash back. Thanks for watching. If you found my overview of Koho helpful, definitely please use my referral link. I'll put it here and also below, and we'll both get a little something. I think right now it's $20 cash, or you can choose 3 free months of the extra plan worth $27. That one will give you the most amount of cash back and the most amount of interest on your money. So definitely tap into that. But the referral reward is constantly changing. So if you watch this and it's something different, don't blame me. Once again, thank you so much. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Take care and keep on smiling.